Attention by Girardino and Duskes. He find out that sources of the stresses are psychosocial, means lifestyle bringing, bioecological and personality maker. So this type of stresses you can define who are puzzling you. So this type of status may be internal, may be external, but these external status are not very serious. They are some types of physical environment, social environment, organizational level, major life events and daily hustles. And science and technology has given gift to us this type of status. Science and technology can't do anything. They are only make us accumulated. How can we gain more and more? Go-getter personality is the gift of science and technology. So we can find out our internal status. Internal status are lifestyle choices. Today's youth મારે કહેવું જોઈએ કે તેઓ વધારેમાં વધારે ડિમાન્ડિંગ બન્યા છે. રિયાલિટી શોઝ દ્વારા બાળકોને જ વધુમાં વધુ મેળવવાની એક દોડ આપણે જ ઊભી કરી દીધી છે અને એ દ્વારા નેગેટિવ સેલ્ફ ટોક કે હું કશું ન કરી શકું, મારાથી શું થાય, મારા નસીબમાં તો આટલું જ, એવી એક બાબતો જે એને નેગેટિવ સેલ્ફ ટોક કરવા માટે પ્રેરે છે અને એ લાઇફસ્ટાઇલ ચોઇસીસ દ્વારા પોતાની જાતને વધુમાં વધુ માગણીઓ કરાવી અને પોતાની નેસેસિટીઝ, પોતાની ડિમાન્ડ્સ, પોતાની ઇમોશન્સ વધારેમાં વધારે પોતાની માગણીઓ તરફ વાળતા રહેલા છે કે મને કેમ ના મળે, બધાને મળે તો મને કેમ ના મળે. અને આવા નેગેટિવ સેલ્ફ ટોક દ્વારા પોતાના માઇન્ડ સ્ટેપ્સને ડેવલપ કરવા દે છે, પોતે ને પોતે પોતાની પર્સનાલિટી ટ્રેટ્સ આવા ઊભા કરતા રહેલા છે અને એ દ્વારા આપણે જ આપણી ગરતામાં જઈ રહ્યા છે. એ દ્વારા આપણે કહી શકીએ કે આવા સ્ટેટસને ઇલિમિનેટિંગ કરવાની આજે તાતી જરૂર છે. ઇન સમ કેસીસ ધ easiest way to manage stress is to avoid it. All stresses cannot and should not be avoided, I can understand, but some stresses that we can eliminate it. Sometimes the stresses can be eliminated psychologically by changing the meaning of the situation. તેથી શું? What so? વધારેમાં વધારે મારું ખરાબ શું થવાનું છે અને હું જ મારા સિચ્યુએશનની ઉપર હકદાર છું, હું મારી સારી સિચ્યુએશન બનાવી શકું છું, તો મારે શા માટે ડરવાનું? અને એ બાબત આપણે એ વખતે જ બરાબર એલર્ટ થઈ જશું તો એ સ્ટેટસને આપણે દૂર ને દૂર ભગાવી શકશું. પણ આ સાયકોલોજીકલ ચેન્જીસ માટે આપણે ધ ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ હિયર્સ ટુ રિસેસ ધ સિરિયસનેસ ઓફ ધી સિચ્યુએશન. એ સિચ્યુએશનની કોઈ સિરિયસનેસ હોતી જ નથી, પણ ઘણીવાર વર્ક પ્લેસ ઉપર એક એવા ટાઈપના જોબ સ્ટ્રેસ ઊભા કરવામાં આવે છે કે જોબ સ્ટ્રેસ તમને ક્રોનિક ડિસીઝ તરફ પણ લઈ જાય છે. ક્વેશ્ચન અરાઇઝ ધેટ વોટ ઇઝ ધ જોબ સ્ટ્રેસ? Job stress is a chronic disease caused by conditions the workplace that negatively affect an individual performance and or overall well-being of the body and mind. So, job stress can be defined as a chronic crisis. A psychiatric consultation is usually required to validation the reason and degree of work-related stress. In foreign corporate world, there are some consultants in every corporate level, every corporate houses, and they are defined our job stress, and they are suggesting that this is the stress level you can manage. So factoring influencing work stress is the drive for success, changing work pattern, working conditions, overall and underwork level, overwork are the main parental institutes of the stress. So we can say that factoring influences is the uncertainty, conflict, responsibility, relationship at work, and change at the work. Man can manage this. Other causes of stress are also there. The fear, the intermittent or continuous threats, physical stress, social stress, financial stress, and other stress. And મારા મતે કહું તો uncertainty about the future, about the coming years, coming moment is the main mother of the stress. So don't say that there is clear uncertainty in my life. કશું જ ચોક્કસ નથી. માણસ જો ધારે તો બધું જ પોતાના કંટ્રોલમાં લાવી શકે છે. એક યુવાન ઈચ્છે તો પોતાના વર્ડ ઉપર પોતાનો કિંગ મેકર બની શકે છે. શા માટે ડરવાનું? કોઈ પણ જાતની અચોક્કસતા છે નહીં. બધું જ આપણા માટે છે, બધું જ ભગવાને આપણા માટે સર્જેલું છે. તો આ માટે થઈ અને સ્ટ્રેસને મેનેજ કરવા એક આજના કાળમાં ક્યારેય નહોતી એટલી જરૂરત ઊભી થઈ છે અને એ આજના મેનેજમેન્ટનો એક ગહન વિષય બની ગયો છે. તો હાઉ ટુ મેનેજ ધીસ સ્ટ્રેસ? દેર આર વેરી મેની પ્રોવન સ્કિલ્સ that we can use to manage the stress. This help us to remain calm and effective in high pressure situation and help us avoid the problems of long term stress. We can avoid this stress. So this is the level of managing stress. Action oriented level, emotionally oriented level, and acceptance oriented level. Action oriented level we can do every time we can operate this action oriented management level. We can do the relaxation technique in our walk of life. Several stress management techniques involve some physical or mental relaxation. Some of these techniques have been advocated with zeal and enthusiasm of new fads. બધું જ મારા માટે થઈ રહ્યું છે, બધું જ સારું થઈ રહ્યું છે, એવી એક ઝીલિંગ પર્સનાલિટી, એક ડાયનેમિક પર્સનાલિટી એ આપણને આ ટેકનિક શીખવાડી શકે. ટુ સિમ્પલ રિલેક્સેશન ટેકનિક્સ આર મસલ મસાજ એન્ડ એબ્ડોમિનલ બ્રીથિંગ. Meditation is also a relaxation technique, but meditation in work, એક કર્મયોગ જો આપણે કરતા થઈ જશું તો બીજા મેડિટેશનની જરૂર પણ નથી. There are 3 major types of relaxation techniques. Autogenic training techniques uses both visual imaginary and body awareness to move a person into a deep state of relaxation. So this is the relaxation techniques by which we can manage our stress. There are also some other techniques. The person imagines a peaceful place and then focuses on different physical sensation. For example, one might focus on warmth and heaviness in the limbs, easy natural breathing or a calm heartbeat. One can say that I am the prince of the creator of world, so I am not small, not tiny person. So this type of complexes can help you. Relaxation techniques may be progressive muscle relaxation. The techniques involves slowly tensioning and then relaxing each muscle group individually, starting with the muscles in the toes and finishing with those in the head. This is the Shavasana. This is the Purna Yoga Nindra. And Yoga Nindra can help you by deep meditation. Deep meditation, you can do the 2 most popular forms of meditation by transcendental meditation and by japa. Japa of your purposes, japa of your aims, japa of your pure existence. Students repeat a mantra, I can do this, I can do this. This can do mentality Kendo Japa is also the relaxation techniques. We can find out that where our techniques can work, and it works and works, but we should do this at the right time. Benefits of this relaxation is the lower blood pressure, the combats fatigue, the promotes sleeps, they can reduce his pain, they can ease his muscles tension, and they can give your personal identity. But મારા મત મુજબ સોશિયલ સપોર્ટ, એની આજુબાજુનું જે વિશ્વ છે એ સપોર્ટ is very needful at that time. Social support refers to an interlocking network of people with whom an individual is able to interact to satisfy important human needs. Human needs are not only the Maslow's need pyramid. We can find out that human is the thirsty of emotions, thirsty of we feeling. So we can give this social support to youngsters and manage the stress. Social support can be effective by one type of system, and this system may provide for major types of support behaviors. Emotional support, instrumental support, informational support, and appraisal support. You can do, you are doing well, તું જે કરી રહ્યો છે તે ખરેખર નોંધવા લાયક છે, તારી કક્ષામાં ઘણું સારું કહેવાય. આ એક અપ્રાઇઝલ સપોર્ટ એ આજના યંગસ્ટર્સને ખાસ જરૂરી બને છે. ઇમોશનલ સપોર્ટ પ્રોવાઇડિંગ ઇમ્પાથી, લવ, કેરિંગ એન્ડ ટ્રસ્ટ. Instrumental support is the behavioral level and that directly help people who are in need. And informational support is not only the physical information, but information to do well, information of process, information for future caring, information, and this type of information is helping people to cope up with their personal problems. And informational support is not very keen, but appraisal support is the very serious matter. This is to provide specific evaluative information to help individuals with their self-evaluation. And self-evaluation is not the measurement, but it is the awarding level. It is the accepting level of the youngsters. Stress is inevitable in human life. Coping strategies at the organizational level and at employee level is very needful today. At organizational level, many corporate houses are making some experiments and they are reducing the stress. They are making management programs, stress reduction programs, and this aims to identify relevant organizational status. They are reducing their effects by redesigning the jobs, allocating the workloads, improving supervisory skills, and improving their mental power. Their mental health is very necessary for any corporate houses. So coping strategies at the organization level can be defined by focusing on training, focusing on employees' behavior or their work groups to manage their stress symptoms in a more effective manner. But I can say that the redesigning of job is very necessary today. Jobs may be source of stress to many individuals. Properly designed jobs and work schedules can help ease stress in the individual and the organizational. And organizational level, we can say that there should be one appraiser at every target. So collateral programs are helpful in organization. Programs specifically created to help employees deal with stress. And stress management program, health promotion program, career development program can be helpful in this type of counseling. Counseling is discussion of a problem with an employees with a view of helping the employee cope with it better. How can they cope up betterly is very needful. So counseling with boss, with leader, with peer teams are very necessary. Then coping strategies level, I can give one example of corporate house such as Excel group of management. Excel group is doing practices to manage, to make easy with stress. Meditation, prayers, and involving quite inner thoughts in every steps of work are very necessary. So it helps remove a person from a stressful world temporarily, but we can say that for long time a very very important role who are playing is the individual level. So support group is very needful at this juncture. It is a group of friends, family members with whom a person can share his feelings, his likes and dislikes, his future targets, his inner words, movements. And supportive family and friends can help people cope with routine types of stress of an ongoing basis. So it is the individual level which can find this thought movement of youngsters. Youngsters can develop their trustworthiness towards God, trustworthiness towards the current waves, trustworthiness towards their family, their friends, and their supporting level. They are